Alright guys, I have made two videos for this purpose. This perfect cluster of a thing, and both of the videos had been taken down by YouTube stating it's violated the community guideline, the harassment and cyberbullying, which it was in no way, because we are not talking about anybody, we are not dragging anybody, we are only teaching people how to do a perfect cluster with their Excel. However, I am doing this again, but this time in a different way, because I thought maybe me uploading the videos with opening people's account details, phone number and full name might be a threat. Maybe that's from the angle they're picking it from. So I have covered it now. Let's see if anything changes. All right, let's head on to the video. All right, good morning and welcome to a different episode. Although I'm not supposed to be uploading this video here, I'm supposed to be uploading it on her business channel, but because of the massive request for people that really want to know how to set up their bundle. So this video is for NGOs. This video is also for cluster heads. So if you want to know how to properly set up your bundles. Now, if you look at the ledger I'm having here, this is a template from Love Vile Empowerment Foundation, one of the the NGO I registered in, or should I say I registered with. So I'm going to explain what a perfect NGO is. I'm going to make a video on what a perfect NGO is. So when you are trying to set up your cluster, you're trying to set up your bundle, your ledger, it is going to give you an idea of how to go about it. I'm going to make this video very short. However, please, I'm pushing this out there. Try as much as possible to leave your comments, like the video, also subscribe to the channel, because I'm going to be dropping many more updates as regards business. I'm going to bring in more business topic on this particular channel. So join me as we go on the journey. Now, this is a complete bundle. If you look at this, let's scroll down. You're going to see that this is a very complete bundle. You see, we have 999 names. We have one space left, as you can see. So now that one space, I'm going to explain it to us in due time. So when you look at this ledger, you would see that the very first thing you would notice, come to phone number column, you are going to see that the numbers don't start with zeros, which is the basic problem many people have. And you also see that some numbers are with 2.3 4704E plus 12, having different errors. And the account number as well, they are not complete. We have those with 8 digits, we have those with 6 digits. However, those, when you pushed out your Google form, for people to fill, they filled their account number there, the real account details. So how do you correct these errors? Because if you keep giving them no Google form to fill, you will keep having the same errors. I'm going to show you how to go about it. Number one, I said this is going to be a very short video. You bring your cursor to phone number, then you slide up. When you slide up, you see it clicks on that C. Mine is on C. Yours might not be on C, but mine is on C. So you click C, single click. Then you come up to this space. Then you click this drop down option here. Then you scroll down You see, you can't find what we are needing here. So click on more number formats. You click on that. It will pop it up for you. Then you come down to custom. You see, so on this space where you see type, you click on this general and you delete it. You delete the general. Now, an average phone number in Nigeria, Nigerian phone number has how many digits? 11. So you are going to type 11 zeros in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Then you click OK. Have you seen the magic? You see how it changed the whole thing. Now, but you will notice that this number, the very first one here, did not change. It did not change because the person registered it with 8068229448. You will know this person is a professional. That is how you register a professional forms. Now, that is no error. That is acceptable. But if you look at it, you see that all the digits are changed and have been corrected. All the phone numbers are being corrected already. You see, everything, every single phone number is corrected. Everything, even those with +234 is corrected. Now, to the account number, the same thing you did for the phone number. You scroll up and it's on he. For me, it's on he. Then you click your he. You do the same thing. More number formats. Then you come to custom. However, for the phone number, for the account number, we have 10 digits. So you do the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then you click OK. Do you see how the numbers corrected themselves? Everything corrected themselves. Every single thing. So, you see, everything has been corrected. Every number has been corrected. The ones with 2 zeros like this, you see, it has been corrected. So, now if you look at some account numbers, it's you would see 8 digits, you see 7 digits. Those are the account numbers that started with 2 zeros, 3 zeros. That's why a lot of NGOs are having so many issues. Now, how do you create a perfect cluster? This is just the step 2 out of other steps we have. Now, you need to sort this list, because as the bundle head, your name, your details should be the very first one here. Now, what you do is you click on the first name and you hold it down, then you slide to the last one here. So you hold shift on your keyboard, you hold the shift button, the shift key, and when you look at the other part of the keyboard, you click, there is end. I'm going to teach you the shortcut and also the other way to do it, because not everybody will see the end button. You hold shift and you click end, then you click the down arrow. You see, it automatically highlights everything. So, but for people who cannot see the end button on their computer, I'm going to teach us another way to do it. I want everybody to be able to do these things on their own, because it will be very bad for you to do all the troubles and still not get disbursed to. Now, make sure that you are not clicking on this serial number, because you are going to affect everything. So hold the very first one, hold it down till the last one. Then, highlight it down till you get to the last one. You bring it down and let it come down by itself. You see, it will come down to the very last. You see, it's quite you understand what I'm saying now? It's really, really tiring to be doing this and doing that. So I'm not going to do that. Like I said, you can do that if if you do not see the end button on your keyboard. But I'm going to go by the shortcuts, that I already mentioned earlier. Go by the shortcuts. So, and the only way to go by that is, hold your shift button, look for the end, any other key that the right end, that end is written on, click it, then your down arrow, you click it. We are good. So what you want to do here is just place your icon, your cursor, on the edge of everything. Then you hold it, then you move it. You see, if you notice what happened here, you see the name has moved to 1000. What it has done for you is it has left the first name, it has left it empty. We have it empty now. Now that you have selected this, you want to do what? You want to sort. You want to sort it. So you go to sort and filter, custom sorts. You choose your column D. Our columns, I told you what our columns are. Column A is for serial number, column B is for name, column C is for phone number, column D is for bank, and that is where we are going to D. Then you are sorting it A to Z. Then you click OK. You see it has sorted it. However, there is this first bank here at the top. It means there is an error in it. Then you come here and you type the first bank manually. First bank manually. Then you do the same thing again. Down, it has moved it to the top. So then you custom sort again, column D, A to Z. You see what we have? A perfect and well sorted clusters. Now you bring it down like we did initially. Then on the top list, you write the name of your cluster head. Do we get it? Like, it's very simple. We can go through this process over and over and over again. So you would see that this account number has an extension. It is a microfinance bank. That is how their account number states. So on the first row, you can now write your cluster head information. Now, if we scroll down, you'll see that the cluster has been sorted. We have Access Bank, from there to Cross River to Diamond to, everything is Echo Bank. Everything is being sorted. FCMB, everything is sorted perfectly. This is the kind of account you're looking for, like kind of ledger you're looking for, that the kind of ledger you want to submit to your cluster and to your NGO. Now, when you do this, you have created a perfect cluster, a very perfect cluster, and that is all you need. Please don't forget to subscribe, because I'm going to be dropping more business videos, more business tips on this particular channel, life tips and all that. And I wish everybody a successful journey in this grand journey. God bless everybody. God bless Nigeria.